People always seem to say no-code tools are the fastest way to build your MVP. Definitely good for scaffolding, but for certain use cases, I don't think that's true. It's good for if you're stitching together a few services or automating internal stuff or prototyping workflows. Tools like N8N and Make can be great. You don't need to deploy anything, you can just test your idea relatively fast in a couple of hours. But when your MVP starts looking more like a real product, an API, a user-facing front end, a database, things totally change. I've actually found it's faster to spin up a proper backend using AI tools like Windsurf or Cursor, and I can give it a prompt like, give me a REST Express API with proper OAuth authentication and Postgres schema, and I could define the schema, an endpoint for uploading media to Amazon S3, and some basic input validation. And I typically get structured files, and the whole thing is scaffolding, but it's better quality than what most people would get. But here's the thing, you only get what you understand about how systems are built. AI won't give you security validation and best practices unless you know how to ask for them. That's why I keep saying it's not about no code versus code. It's about systems thinking. If you know how things should be built, you can move fast with whatever tools you choose. If you don't, no code won't save you. It'll just give you a fragile illusion of progress.